Hi guys, welcome to Jan's Journey. Welcome. We are in the month of August. That is borderline ending summer, beginning fall. I love the fall season. I love the flavors, I love the colors, and I am getting ready for that. Yeah, I know the weather's very hot, but at least it's letting us know we're getting closer to that cold weather. So today, as you know, it's a new month. That means a new unboxing, and in this video, as you saw the thumbnail already, I'm gonna be unboxing my premium box. I'm not mad with the products in it. I tried some of them out. I'm already wearing some of them. Yes, not bad for my first impression. So we're gonna be doing that unboxing, and today I think it feels like it's been a year that I did an unboxing from this company, Rose Forever. You guys could check out that video. I think it's been a year. And guys, if you look at the roses, it still looks like I just got it today. Here's the flowers that I got last year. I love the shape. I love to sometimes take pictures right on top of it of products, showing products, because it is so pretty. It smells really nice. Even a year later, I keep it open. I keep it open and exposed, and this is how it still looks like. Oh my god, it looks so perfect. So they reached out to me to see if I want to do an unboxing. As you know, this is Rose Forever. They're in New York. They usually have a lot of great deals happening, but I also have a coupon code if you guys are interested, to see if you guys can purchase something for Parents' Day that is coming and prepare your house for the fall. When I open this, I'm like, I know I order it, but when you see it in person, you open a box full of roses. Crazy, because pink is not my favorite color. So now let's go ahead, guys, and do the other unboxing, which is the premium box. So the premium box, I think they're preparing for the fall. I don't know. Look at this. It says dusk till dawn. I don't know. Sometimes it's giving me those vibes of iced coffee, when you put the coffee and you put the creamer, when you do a macchiato and you mix it together. I actually did a cookie of pumpkin flavor. I know, I'm getting ready for the fall, guys. So I did a cookie. Here's a cookie. In the back is, I could just smell the pumpkin pie spice. It is just blank, but I think I want to recreate this theme. I don't know. I'm gonna try it out. You guys want to see how that comes out. If I was able to recreate that in a cookie, this in a cookie, subscribe to my channel. So guys, so this is the premium box. You already saw the theme, and I opened it, of course, so I could try out some of the products. The first one I got, which I did use, was the Ofra Cosmetics. This is a signature palette. It's a signature palette. It's called Symphony. I did play with it. I'm going to share with you guys a quick tutorial, me using this palette. So guys, this is the eye makeup look that I did using just this palette, and the retail value for this palette is $34. Next, we got from Complex Culture Beauty. It's called Good Glow Blush Duo. I think the packaging is really pretty. I know we can see this brand a lot from Ipsy, and little by little we've been seeing it more in Boxycharm. This is the blush duo, $30. I was very shocked with the pigmentation here, but I love the colors. I was really impressed because I really don't like too much blush. I was very impressed with these two, and I packed them all to try it out. Test out and fluster. Next, I wanted to try out this mascara. This is from Mellow Way Your Way mascara. This one retails for $22. This is a new brand to Boxycharm. I remember seeing this in a spoiler from Johnny on the Go, and I'm like, oh my god, that mascara is something I want to try. He made it seem like it was so much easier to apply mascara, and the grip on the product itself, I love that there's a grip here. Like, it's not such a smooth texture, and a grip on the bottom, and it makes it so much easier to hold. I feel like they did focus on a lot of the details. I love the colors. It takes me back to the 80s. I like how my lashes came out, so this one is also a win-win-win-win for me. Next, I got leave-in conditioner. This is Player Monoi Milk leave-in conditioner. This one retails for $24. Look how it comes. Ooh, a leave-in conditioner in a spray, and it smells really nice. So I'm loving this. So it says Monoi milk, coconut milk, and Monoi oils. I'm excited about that one. That one retails for $24. Then we have an eye cream. I don't know what to think about an eye cream, but this one is Kat Berkey Nutrient C eye cream. This one retails for $90. Ooh, this is gonna make it interesting because it has vitamin C. So anything that has vitamin C, oh my gosh, I've seen many great improvements in my skin. But I don't think I've seen one for the eye area. I mean, I'm excited about this. I'm excited about this to test it out. Yeah, it's really, really lightweight. I wouldn't say watery completely, but look at the texture, how then it became a little bit more like a moisturizer texture. It smells pretty nice too. It's not strong at all. So I'm gonna try this one out. I'm really gonna try this one out. And last, guys, that's it for this box. The last thing I got here is a pop mask. It's called Sleepover Rose Scented Self-Warming Sleep Mask. It's a 5-pack. And this one retails for $20. It says when you remove the eye mask from pouch, the eye mask will begin to warm up when you open it. And you have to use it immediately. That is interesting, a warm steam mask. If I have a tension, a headache, a migraine, and dry eyes, just put this on. This is interesting. So guys, this is my box right here. Here's my box. Like these products here, I try them on, and I think that's the reason why I like them more, because I was impressed with the pigmentation of the blush. I really like how the eye makeup came out just using one pan, and oh my gosh, that Ultra Cosmetics highlighter really is always on point. I did like the, I'm excited about the vitamin C around the eye area. Oh my god, this mascara, and this one might be my go-to. That mask sounds really good, a warm mask. I don't think I've ever heard of that. And then that leave-in conditioner, come on. I don't know about the theme, how that looks like. Is that coffee? Is that preparing us for the fall season? So once I work on that cookie, I'm gonna do another stories, really short video, share with you guys. The theme is dawn till dusk. So these are, I think, products that you could wear in the dawn and you're ready for the dusk. I don't know, guys. I wanted to share with you guys my unboxing for the August premium box. Also my unboxing on the Rose Forever box. I am so grateful that they reached out, and I'm loving my box. Oh my god, I just couldn't wait to share with you guys. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for spending some of your time with me, and until the next video, guys, bye.